I'm Maggie.
And I'm Emily.
And you're watching the CMS Broadcast.
Today is Friday, February 21st.
There are some pretty exciting things happening today.
Like what?
Lots of interesting things.
There will be an assembly.
What will happen at the assembly?
There will be an OWA battle between the school's two teams to decide who will go to the regionals at 10:45 a.m.
Is there anything else happening today?
Yes, we will be having the end of the semester celebration, which will be lots of fun.
I'm so excited. But is there something even more exciting happening on Monday? There will be breakfast on a stick for breakfast and mozzarella sticks with marinara for lunch.
That is exciting. Guess what? Next Monday there will be a boys basketball game at Mount Angels.
On Wednesday there will be a band trip and the boys basketball team will have their last home game.
There will be an assembly to recognize the boys team next Tuesday on February 25th. There will also be an assembly game and there will be an air hockey semifinals and finals. Congratulations to Farron, Bentley, Emberly, and Natalia for qualifying to the Final Four.
Yay! That sounds really fun. I have a really funny joke to tell you. Why did a frog cross the road to get to the bus stop?
Why?
Because his car got towed. Did you get it?
Yeah, I get it. That's a pretty funny joke.
Sure, what is the fun fact of the week?
Australia is actually wider than the moon. Australia is 4,000 kilometers wide and the moon is 3,400 in diameter.
I actually know a fun fact too. Did you know that if you need clothes or hygienic products for various of reasons, please see Miss Jenna about visiting the clothes closet located near Miss Collins's room. There is a collection of clothing of all sizes available for students in need. These clothes can be borrowed or kept.
I did know that, but thanks for the reminder. Did you know that today is National Boiled Peanuts Day and National Sticky Bun Day?
I did not know that. I think I would rather have a sticky bun than a boiled peanuts. On Monday, it is National Tortilla Chip Day. Yum!
I think that's all for the CMS broadcast.
Bye!
Wait.
What? What did you forget to say?
Yeah, I forgot to tell you that there's softball, basketball, and track sign-ups in the office.
I almost forgot.
All right, bye.
Bye. Hi, I'm Maggie.
And I'm Emily.
It's too slow.
Hold on, you gotta speak. Hold on, no, it's... Okay, restart.
Restart.
Today is...
Okay. No, you... Okay, can we go back? Oops. Wait, what am I...
Hold on.
Oh, you're supposed to say that.
And you... Did you know that today is National Boiled Peanuts Day and National Sticky Bun Day?
I did not know that. I think I would remember. I think I would. Okay. I think I would.
That's all for the CMS broadcast.
Bye.
Wait.
What? What? Did you forget something to say something?
Yeah, I forgot to tell you that. Yum.
That was my line. Oops.
You were stupid. Because you read one.